So I'm going to tell you why makers struggle. Makers struggle sometimes because they get jobs that are just a little bit awkward and they put it off until the right time. So I've put this off a bit and I've cut it down in width. So I've done a lot of work on it, and now I need to cut it down in length, but I just want to confirm the dimension of the mattress with the client. And guess what? No replies. No replies from mobile phone. So now I've got a bed that sat here for 4 days, and I'm now going to take it all apart, put it to one side and wait until they contact me. I was on a roll with this, things were getting done, it was moving along, I really wanted to get it done so that I can get paid, and I've now got to put it to one side, get on with another job, which is fine because I need to get that other job done, but it means that I won't be coming back to this for a while, which means the money I won't be getting for a while. I'll wait till they contact me, I will try and get part payment. This is why makers, this is why the likes of Thomas Chippendale and some of the best in the world go out of business, because they're asked to do things and then they have to wait. The bills don't stop coming in. The bills keep coming in. I've done lots to this thing in shortening it so that you can't even recognise it's been shortened. I've still got some work to do to it, to tidy it up. I've had fun and games because it's not been marked up properly. I don't even know if it's been together before. I don't even know if the customers put it together. So I don't even know whether I can touch the dimension. So now I'm going to lose more time putting it all away. So at some point, yeah, if they don't contact me, there might be a bed for sale if anybody wants a sleigh bed. So it's your chance.